Today, we are visiting a special part of the art museum. In most museums, you can't touch the art. But in this one, we can touch everything. Look at this painting. What do you see? I see two ladies and a man in a fancy living room. One lady is reading and one is sewing. The man is asleep on the couch. Let's look closer and see what we can find in the painting. I see a picture frame. You can touch the frame here. It feels rough. Do you see candlesticks in the painting? Here are some we can touch. They feel smooth. I see curtains on the windows made of fabric with tassels. Tassels, just like these. They're soft. Here's some lace. Do you see lace in the painting? Yes, it's on the ladies' dresses.
This is actually real wood. Yeah.
These pieces of wood look like trees. Are there trees in the painting? Look close. Right, they're outside the window. What do you see when you look at a picture? Can you imagine how those objects feel?